Say, good morning, students. Today, Carnot eat engine. Carnot eat engine. Okay. A heat engine is a device to convert. A heat engine is a device to convert heat into work. Heat into work. The diagram. This is complete gas. This is complete gas. This is the working substance. This is the piston. This is the gas cylinder. This is the insulator. Okay, these three steps. This is the conducting. Conducting. This is the insulator. Okay, this is the conducting, insulator, conducting. This is the source. This is the sink. This is the hot. This is the cold. This diagram is based on the Carnot heat engine. Carnot heat engine. Okay. The following main three parts that is consists of main three parts. First one, the working substance. The working substance. Next, second one, the source. Next one, 3, the sink. Last one, fourth one, insulator stand. In parts naina, the consists of 4 following parts: the working substance, source, and sink, and last one, insulator stand. Okay, this is the inside of the gas. Inside of the gas, the gas is complete inside. This is working substance. When the piston, the pressure and volume and temperature. This is the piston. Okay, inside of the 1 gram mole of gas antam, then the particle piston. Okay, this is the conducting. Conductant which flow of source, which flow of sink, hot water, cool water. hot water change in cool water change in hot water. Source is a high thermal heat energy. The temperature T1 K. Sink is a cool. The temperature T2K. Okay, diagram వచ్చేయండి అన్న. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, మ్యాటర్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. This is the sink, this is the insulator, this is the source. This is the source, this is the sink, this is the insulator. Okay, it consists of the following four parts. Em parts అంటే the working substance and the source of heat and the cooling, third one the sink, fourth one insulator stand. This is the non-conductor, is based on the okay, this is the based. Okay, this is the inside of the gas, closed gas. Next, this is the piston, this is the working substance. The base is called as non-conductor or insulator. First one, the working substance. First one ఏంటన్నా, the working substance. The working substance is an ideal gas. The working substance is an ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder, piston arrangement. This is the piston, this is the system, this is the working substance, this is the cylinder, this is the insulator. Okay, the working substance is an ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder piston arrangement. So second, the source of heat. Second one, the source of heat. A hot body of high thermal capacity, high thermal capacity maintain at a higher temperature T1K. ఇక్కడ ఏముందనంటే సోర్స్ దగ్గర T1K, సింక్ దగ్గర T2K. చూడండి, the source of heat, a hot body of high thermal capacity is maintained at a high temperature T1K. Second, third one, the sink. This is the cold body maintain at a lower temperature T2K. Last one, this is the insulator stand. To make the whole system is perfectly, to maintain the whole system is perfectly, a non-conductor stand is put on the base of the cylinder, మెయిన్ ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏం కనిపిస్తుందంటే, this is the cylinder, this is the piston, this is the complete gas, this is the working substance, this is the cylinder, this is the piston, this is the insulator. Okay, total ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ బేస్ చేసుకుంటే వర్కింగ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ an ideal gas, the working substance is an ideal gas. Enclosed cylinder piston is maintained or arranged. Okay, well, once more repeat nana. The working substance is an ideal gas enclosed in a system, enclosed in a cylindrical piston arranged. Next one, source is the hot body is maintained high temperature T1K. Next sink, this is the cold, అంటే the cold body is maintaining lower thermal lower temperature T2K. Next insulator, to make the whole system is based on the cylinder. Non-conductor ఏంటి, to make the whole system perfectly non-conductor stand is a put on the base of the cylinder. This is the cylinder put base చేసేదంతా కూడా ఏంటంటే non-conductor or insulator, does not flow in a gas. Okay, this is the remaining two source. The source of heat and the sink is the gas is conducting process is high level to low level and higher energy level to initial to final to initial. ఇట్లా గ్యాస్ అనేది వన్ స్టేట్ టు అనదర్ స్టేట్ అనేది ఇలా చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్ లో టెంపరేచర్ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అంటే T1K. నెక్స్ట్ సింక్ వచ్చేప్పుడు కోల్డ్ వాటర్ హాట్ వాటర్ కాస్త కోల్డ్ వాటర్ కింద చేంజ్ అయినప్పుడు దాని యొక్క టెంపరేచర్ ఏమైపోతుంది, డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అందుకని దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోల్డ్ బాడీ, this is the hot body. Hot is the temperature is the released to high temperature, cold body is the low temperature T2K. In main 4 points, working substance, the source of heat, and the sink, and last one insulator stand. This is a Carnot heat engine.